Hi, I'm Mr. Smith, and I'm going to teach you about reading clocks and telling time. Reading a clock is simple. The big hand, or the red hand in this picture, means how many minutes have passed in the hour. The short hand, or the blue hand in this picture, means what hour it is, such as 3, 4, or 5. All the numbers around the circle, 1 through 12, stand for the hour that we are currently in. Think of the 12 as a 0. When the short hand is on the 3 and the long hand is on the 12, the clock reads exactly 3 o'clock. However, when the short hand is on the 3 again, but the long hand is not on the 12, the time will not read 3 o'clock. But we will go into that later. Let's say I go to bed at 9 each night. Where would the hour hand, or short hand, be located? That's correct. It would be at the 9. Now, where would the minute or long hand be? That's right. It stays at the 12 because it is exactly 9 o'clock. Now here's a test. Let's say I wake up at 7 each morning. Where would the hands be positioned? What time is it? If you said that the hour hand was on the 7 and the minute hand was on the 12, you were right. I woke up at exactly 7 o'clock. Here's a harder one. If I ate lunch at 12 every day, where would the hands be positioned? That's right. Both of the hands stay at 12 when it is 12 o'clock. Now that you learned to read the clock hour to hour, there's more to learn. Let's say you get out of school at 3:30. Where would the hands be on the clock? We know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. We also know that 3:30 is right in the middle of 3 and 4. That means that the hour hand will be placed between the 3 and the 4 on the clock. For the minute hand, we know that half of 60 is 30, and so it will be placed right on the 6, which is on the middle of the clock. When you hear a time like 4:30, 5:30, think of half. Here's a quick test. What time does the clock read? If you said 9:30, you were right. The hour hand is between the 9 and the 10, and the minute hand is on the 6, or halfway around the clock, making it 9:30. I hope that you enjoyed my lesson on clocks and time, and were able to learn how to read a clock. This video included the basics, as there is always more to discover.